In this kit, we give you everything you need to make a Kir Royal. Really, really simple. You get your champagne flutes. I've got two here because I'm going to use these, my ones, use these for the cocktail. So you get these two champagne flutes. You get a bottle of blackcurrant syrup, cassis, essentially non-alcoholic cassis. But you also get a whole load of freeze-dried strawberries, and I'll show you them in a second. So the classic Kir Royal is as simple as anything to make. You know, you would kind of maybe buy a Chambord or something like that, but the thing with syrups, they give you that little bit of sweetness, which and they're cheaper, to be fair. So blackcurrant is obviously cassis. That is what Kir Royal is. Okay, so if I said to you Chambord, you know, you're going raspberry and stuff like that. Kir Royal is cassis. 15 mil, that's all you need. If you're gonna measure, let's just give you a benchmark of what you do. You can kind of drizzle for your life, but 15 mil of cassis straight into the champagne flute. There we go. And then all we're gonna do is top it up with champagne, Prosecco. I've got some non-alcoholic Prosecco here, left over it in the fridge, but just pour, top up. As you can see, you don't need to worry too much, but give it a very gentle stir just to get any tiny bit of syrup that's left on the bottom. And then to save me opening the big bag, these are what the freeze-dried raspberries are like, and they are perfect to have. Ignore these, but these are, I've had these ages. These get battered about quite a lot. But here we go. We've got two or three decent ones. These are freeze-dried raspberries. Let's put them there. Hopefully you can kind of see them. You know, you get a whole proper bag of those. And they just freeze-dried, they just, when you put them in a drink, they just rehydrate and they burst the flavour. These are just like eating proper raspberries once they've been rehydrated. So there we go. That is your Kir Royal kit. All you need is the champagne or Prosecco, or non-alcoholic Prosecco.